And look at this. Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. Today is Tuesday, October 6th. So I'm heading to Sawgrass Mall. I'm going back to Century 21. Today I have a little bit more time. Right now it's about 2 p.m. Yep. I have a little bit more time, so I'm gonna really take my time. I actually want to go to Century 21, not Century 21, Forever 21 as well, so I can take a look at some of their workout pants, because I do have some that I love. I was trying to find them online and I couldn't find them online, so I'm gonna try to find it in the store there. I also want to get some type of decor piece for my bedroom, so I kind of know the scheme that I want, the color scheme and the kind of look that I want. So if I see it, I see it. If I don't, I don't. It's not something that I definitely need to do. I also want to go ahead and work on setting up my nightstand today. You guys saw in the previous vlog, or you should have seen in the previous vlog, that I purchased the nightstand from Big Lots. So I want to go ahead and set that up today. I have some time. It all depends on what time I make it back home. I'm definitely not in any kind of rush. I can do it later tonight, or I can do it tomorrow. And by the way guys, if you guys like these brows, okay, I did my brow tutorial video. I'm gonna leave it linked. I did my brow tutorial video, so you guys can check that out. All right, I get a lot of questions on how I get these brows so freaking poppin', and I do the same thing every time. Exactly what's in that video right now is what I do, what I did today, what I always do. So check that video out. All right, and I'm dressed today to walk, okay? Very comfy sneakers, ready to walk. So I'll see you guys when we get to the mall. So guys, I just showed up here at Century 21, and look at this. Shut all the way down. Shutters are down. All right, I should have come back last week like I planned on, but I waited too long. So I'm gonna see. Well, I didn't just plan on coming here for this, so I'll see what else is out here. I think I'm gonna park near TJ Maxx, and then right over there is TJ Maxx, and then I'm gonna go ahead and walk in. Wow, I'm shocked, really surprised, but yeah, definitely surprised. But it's all good. Wasn't going for anything in particular anyway. But TJ Maxx is right over here. So I'm gonna park by their entrance. Yeah, it's to like stand on the floor, like over the table. Face on me, let me show it to you. But anyway, I can't bring it to you anyway, but it's cute. I'm recording. This painting looks like a black girl. Should probably get it. It's nice, like wall art, but it's kind of scratched up. I like this, but it has no price on it. And I don't have time to be asking people for the price. Guys, so much cute stuff, oh my goodness. But look at my cart. Only picked up some ice trays, okay? Being very selective with what I get for my money, all right? These sneakers. kind of like this. Like, is it outside? I want to go. Y'all, it's so freaking hot out here. Freaking hot, okay? My makeup is melting off my face. That's how hot it is. But right now I'm going to Nordstrom Rack. And it's actually on the outside. So, yeah. These are some nice Tory Burch flats. Let's have a gold top. $149. Guys, so I didn't get anything inside of Nordstrom Rack. I like the Tory Burch shoes, but I didn't get it. I don't need it, so I didn't get it. So I'm gonna try to go back on my journey and try to find Forever 21 for now. You guys can hear me properly through this damn mask, okay? All right. So Forever 21 does not have the pants that I want, but I'm gonna get this olive green as well as this burnt orange set. Is biker shorts with the sports bra to match. Okay, I can get me like a nice dress. Hey guys, so I'm heading home now. Just left the mall. I'll get back with you guys later. Okay, right now it's almost 5 o'clock, so I spent a lot of time in there. So yeah, I'll get back with you guys later. Hey guys, so really quickly, I'm just showing you guys the before. This is the nightstand that I'm gonna replace. This was actually a nightstand that I got at the Goodwill, and I sanded down and painted it on my own. It's kind of late, so just disregard my energy, but I'm about to go and put together the new nightstand. So guys, here's the finished product for now. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
All who did not know me when I done, they gon' know the name. Million people coming down, dancing to a song.